Hi everyone, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make the F-14 TOMCAT. On this video, I will show you step by step how to fold the paper airplane successfully. To make the paper airplane, you will need a piece of US letter size paper, and the first step is to fold the paper in half. When you fold the paper in half, curl the paper slowly, and when all the edges are lined up perfectly, crease it down. Next, let's unfold the paper, flatten it down. Let's start from the upper edge, fold it to the other side. Adjust the paper and crease it down. When you crease the paper down, do it slowly and then crease it hard. Next, let's unfold the paper, flatten it down again, start from the upper edge again, fold to the other side, curve the paper, and then crease it down slowly. Adjust the paper, twist it a little bit, and crease it. If it doesn't look right, this is the right time for you to fix it. Place this again and creases. Push it, flatten it, and crease it. On the following step, let's unfold the paper. Start from this edge, go straight to this line. There is no line, so imagine that there's a line there, and you can just fold this side of the paper up. You can just match the corner to the edge of the paper and fold down like this. Next, let's flip the paper over. Let's start from the upper edge, fold straight down. You can see the intersection point. Use this as a reference to fold the paper down. When you fold the paper down, do it slowly, and now you can crease it. Crease it now, and this looks really good. Next, unfold the paper, flatten the paper down, flip it over. Now, I'm going to tilt it a little bit, place it like this, so that I can fold the next step easily. I pop up this line, and then I'll fold the upper part here down. Press down the paper. It looks really good at this point. Flip the paper over again and start from this side, fold straight up. Imagine that there's a straight line, so when you fold up, it's a little bit difficult, but adjust the paper and use the center crease as a reference. Press down the paper. Now you can see this line. Adjust it a little bit so that it looks straight from corner to corner. On the following step, let's flip the paper over. Start from the upper layer, fold it toward the other side, and then start from this edge, fold toward the center crease. Do it slowly. Crease it down, and repeat the same fold for the other side later on. Even before we do for the other side, you can fold this part of the paper up toward the edge. Make sure that you create a square. Press down the paper. Now, let's unfold it. Open this layer up a little bit and fold straight to the corner. Do it slowly. You need to match the edge to the below edge. So, adjust the paper, press it down a little bit, and then you're good. Once I finish this side, I'm going to do the same step for the other side. And now, I will just adjust the paper first. Now, just fold this layer back, fold the upper layer to the other side too, and start from this side of the paper. fold it toward the center crease, adjust it a little bit, make sure that it's matched the center crease only, and I can creases. I'll just open the paper so you can see the crease. Now start from this side again, right? Fold it toward the corner, make a square, and put it back. Start from this side, open the upper layer, adjust it a little bit, fold it, yes, fold it to the edge, adjust it slowly, fold it to the edge, yes, press down the paper, and now it looks really good for both sides. Even though there's a light discrepancy or it's not matched the other side perfectly, that is okay, because we're not going to make a flyable paper airplane, so don't worry much about that. At this step, I will start from the upper part of the paper I fold out. I'm going to create a reference line. So now I open the layer, right? I have a new crease. I'll use this crease as a reference to fold the elevators and other part of the paper airplane. So start from this side of the paper. I will fold straight to the crease that I just made, and I want to make sure that the edge of this layer just touch the below edge a little bit. You can fold it out further than the edge a little bit and crease it down. You can also see that at the bottom of the paper right here, I will adjust it to show you where it is. I'm going to create a wings at this point, so fold this part of the paper out, make sure that the edge match to the intersection of the new crease and the outside edge. The other edge of the wing will match to the intersection of the elevators and the main edge as well. And now it's look really good. I'll fold this inner of the body out and repeat the same fold for the other side. This side, I'll fold the elevator first. I want to fold it parallel with the bottom edge of the paper. You can adjust it if you want to. It's not a big deal for this paper airplane. And next I'm going to fold the wing. When I fold the wing, I will do the same step. I'll use the intersection of the crease and the outside edge, match with the edge of the wing, and adjust it. And now I just fold the other side up to reference this fold. Now I can fold both sides of the paper down. It's look like a frog at this point, and flip it over. I'll just fold this part of the paper up, and I'll start from the very outside edge to the center crease. I'm going to make the head of the plane look nicer, and I'm going to repeat the same fold for this side. Start from this edge to the center crease. I will do this very slowly so you can see all the steps. Just adjust the paper a little bit. Yes, this is how you would do it. Now I will hold the paper up. I will imagine that there is a straight line from the edge to the center crease, especially the edge of the wings, and I'll just like fold it down. I will push it down slowly first to the corner at the bottom of the plane. So you can just do it slowly, do not do it hard, and adjust the paper. Now that you can see how it's look like, I will just fold the paper and create a wing from start from the upper edge, fold it straight to the below edge, and I'll just curve the paper a little bit. Adjust the paper if you need to, anyways, curve and fold it up to create the first wing. Repeat the same fold for the other side. You can just flip the paper over and fold straight out like this. Adjust it. Do it slowly. Now there are so many layers. You need to curve the paper first and then hold one side and adjust it slowly like I'm doing right now. Next I will pull up the wings so that it looks more like the F-14 TOMCAT. You also need to open the elevators, adjust the elevators, press it down so that it looks nice. Here you go. So this is the F-14 TOMCAT. It looks very nice. You can fold the end of the wing up so that it looks cool. It's not required, but I just folded it up so that it looks nice. Now the F-14 TOMCAT is ready to soar. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and click on the bell button.